In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show Toolbar in Outlook email. We'll keep it simple and make sure you know exactly where to click so your Outlook toolbar, also called the ribbon, is visible when you need it. Start by opening your web browser and heading to your preferred search engine. In the search box, type Outlook. This helps you quickly find the official Outlook site without needing to remember a long address. In the results, look for Microsoft's official Outlook website and click it. That will take you to Outlook on the web. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and sign in as you normally do so you land in your mailbox. Once Outlook opens, turn your attention to the very top area of the page. You should see the main tabs that control the toolbar: Home, View, and Help. These tabs are part of the ribbon, which is where Outlook puts most of the commands you use, like composing a new message, replying, organizing mail, changing layout options, and getting assistance. If your toolbar looks collapsed, or you only see a slim row with very few buttons, it's likely minimized. To expand it, look for a small drop-down arrow or caret near the right side of the toolbar area. It can appear as a V-shaped arrow or a chevron. Click that drop-down icon, and the toolbar will expand to show the full ribbon beneath the tabs. You should now see the complete set of commands under Home, and switching to View or Help will change which tools appear below. If you prefer the toolbar to stay open, look for a pin icon or a similar option that keeps the ribbon visible. In many versions, clicking the pin toggles between Auto Hide and Always Show. Keeping it pinned ensures your commands remain available without an extra click. If you're working on a smaller screen or a narrow browser window, Outlook may automatically compress the ribbon to save space. Maximizing the window can help reveal more options. A quick check to confirm everything worked. Select the Home tab and look for familiar actions like New Mail, Reply, Move To, and Categories. Then click View to see layout and reading pane options, and Help to access support and tips. If the toolbar collapses again, simply click the drop-down icon once more to expand it. That's all you need to show the toolbar in Outlook email. With the ribbon expanded, your most useful commands are only a click away, making your email workflow faster and more comfortable.